All right, we're going to work out dupe checks. I'm asking you to write two dupe check methods, one that works with string arrays and one that works with int arrays. And they return true if a duplicate's found and false if a duplicate is not found. So I made a bunch of tests. You can skip all that. And then we come down here. There's a string array called ARR. And we want to check if it has any duplicates in it. So what I'm going to do is do two for loops. For int I equals, and this one I'm going to start at 1. Sorry, at 0. I less than r dot length minus 1, because we don't need to check the very last element if it's a duplicate with itself. I plus plus. And then inside the for loop, we're going to do another for loop, and this one checks the next element all the way to the end. So for int, I'm going to use j equals I plus 1. We're going to the next element. This one has to go all the way to the end. Now we're going to check if r at I dot equals, so it's really important to use dot equals here because it's a string array, r dot j, and we found a duplicate. So if we were looking up here, we're checking A against C, B, and A, and so it would return true when it got to there. And same thing on here, we're checking A, doesn't find a dupe. When it starts checking C, it goes to C, finds a dupe. And here it checks A with all the rest, B with all the rest, and then C with D, but it doesn't check D with anything because it's all by itself at that point. So right here, we'd say return true because we found a duplicate. And then after the for loops, you can click here and see where you are. We're going to return false. That means we did not, if we got to this point, we did not find a duplicate. So I'm running it. So the correct results are true, true, false, false, true. So true, true, false, false, false. So, hey, we're doing okay. The first 3 tests were for the string array. And so now let's do the, we're going to do almost the same thing here. Because I'm tempted. Yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and do it. I'm going to copy everything except return false because I already got one of those. I'm going to paste it right here. And the thing is we don't use dot equals here because it's an int array. There's no dot equals for primitive variables. But we do need to check if I and j are the same. And the output matches the desired output. So if you have questions about this, look it over. If you had to watch my video, hi, hope you're having a good day. You should try to do this again. Do it tomorrow without watching my video. You need to know how to check for duplicates with one-dimensional arrays. This is something you need to know. So make sure you can do it. Thank you.